Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for another day, another ride, a new adventure. This one's gonna be a short ride, but this time it's actually not about the destination, it's all about the journey, I could say. I'm actually going on a group ride, biker bus, with biker bus, of course. As you know that I'm a part of biker bus group, and I've already rode a couple of rides with them. This time it's actually a welcome ride for new riders actually. Last time, if you remember the Mallappakonda vlog, right, which is shown in that I button, so that was my welcome ride to the biker bus community. And this time we are welcoming new riders. And last time, if you remember, it was around 80 members, 75-80 members I guess, but this time it's the whole 100 members. Oh my god. I'm all excited to welcome them all. As I told, it's a short ride. The location is Panchapalli Dam, which is 75 kilometer from Bangalore, situated at Dharmapuri, Tamil Nadu. And last time our meetup point was at Kudlu Gate. So this time we have shifted the meeting point at Attibele Toll Plaza. So I'm on my way there. Some 10 more minutes, 8.4 kilometer. And the meetup time was set at 4 a.m. and now the time is 3:33, so I'm gonna be there at 3:43, 3:45. So it's perfect, better than late. And it's gonna be an awesome epic ride, that's for sure. I'm confident in that. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like the vlog. Let's see if anyone have come, or I'm gonna be the first one to welcome everyone. Let's go. So I just reached the meetup point and it's not even 4 a.m. Man, the crowd is crazy. I think in 30 minutes we'll be having a briefing. Badge distribution going on.
Awesome, man.
My TV reporter. Show the badge, man, this time. Yeah.
Thank you very much for being on time, for showing the punctuality, keeping the biker bike spirit high. very, very, very warm welcome. Welcome Ride 5.0. My name is Adi. I'm the captain and the founder of Biker Buds. Along with me, I have my core team here. The destination, Panchpalli Dam, is hardly 50 kilometers from here. The good part is, weather is on our side. We have a good, pleasant weather today. We'll be rolling in a file of 2 with the scouts leading the group 200 meters ahead, followed by the leads of the group. Leading the group today we have Shivram on his CB350 and Aditya Saraf on his GT650. Followed by the lead, we'll have 2 files. Make sure when you are lining up, you line up with a similar CC engine. This is to ensure that you are at the same pace at all times and no one is under the pressure to keep up. When riding in 2 files, if the marshals or the lead or the captain shows a single file, the rider on the right file will come in front and the buddy on the left will fall back. Again 2 files are shown. Rider on the left simply comes and matches his pace with the rider ahead, right? When rolling, we'll be cruising at a speed of 40 to 50. It's a big group. 101 riders today, including myself. We have 12 people to coordinate. It's a big coordination crew. Stay assured, if there's any problem, you have to raise your hand, slow down, stop at the side. Only your buddy will stop with you and there will be a marshal handy to stop with you. The tails will stop with you. Tailing the squad today we have Nikhil on his Benelli TRK 500 and Amrish on his heavily modded FZ25. Yellow bhi bolna. Anyhow, follow the hand and leg signals. Everyone in the coordination team is wearing a reflector jacket so that you can easily identify them. Anyone else is expected to maintain the speed as per the group of the as per the pace of the group. If the marshals are showing a hand up, that means you need to pace up. A hand down means slow down. If there is a leg popping out, they're trying to show a breaker or a pothole or any hazard on the road. If you're passing the hand or leg signals to the rider behind you, make sure you're doing this when your bike is in total control. Keep the hazard blinkers on at all times. If the marshals are signaling something like this with their hands and fingers, that means you need to turn on your hazards. If you don't have the hazards, you do not have to reply back to the marshal, just keep riding. At any time, if you feel dizzy, your bike is having an issue, or there is anything that makes you want to take a stop, I'm reiterating, you will raise your hand, slow down, your buddy will stop with you, the marshals and the tails will stop with you. The rest of the cohort, it's a sincere request, please continue forward, do not pile up. If there is a diversion, we'll make sure that we signal and we come in a single file. Even if you don't see a signal, you should know that if there's a diversion, you're expected to be in a single file. Reiterating, whenever we transition from a double file to a single file, the rider on the right takes the spot ahead and the rider on the left falls back. Again double file, the rider on the left, the rider riding behind will simply come and match his pace with his buddy on the right. Right? Any doubts, anyone?
No.
How's the Josh now?
Hi.
How's the Josh? Biker Buds!
Let's go!
We are good 18 number at the moment. We still have about 15-20 minutes before the flag off. I'm expecting all the remaining 20 riders to join by that time. anyone is left to have tea and coffee, please feel free to have it. We'll start lining up in 10 minutes from now. While lining up, please make sure that you are pairing up with a similar CC motorcycle, right? We have a backup vehicle with us. The backup vehicle will tail behind the sweeps of the group. If there's anything wrong, we have all the backup, right from roadside breakdown assistance to safety kit to everything. Do not feel nervous. Do not feel pressurized that you are in a big group. Be absolutely candid. Be yourself. Be natural. You deserve to be here. That's why you're here. Let's have fun. Let's have an amazing ride. Yay! Let's go.
So now the time is 5:03, and as you can see, the marshals, the scouts, leads are just setting up the pattern. And here's our lead, Adi. Yeah. Oh damn, the whole 100 members, 100 bikes. I'm not counting the pillions, okay? For the next 8-10 kilometers, we're gonna be getting the typical Bangalore traffic. And after 10 kilometers, I guess we'll be taking a right, which is 30-40 kilometers of, smooth ride, I'm expecting. So from the highway, we are taking a diversion, as I said earlier. And you just saw that, right? Marshals are, like properly scouting the traffic and all. Yeah, as I was saying, on this ride we have around 101 riders, and how the coordinators have spread out throughout the whole pattern is Adi will be leading it. There will be 2 scout riders. Basically what they do is like they are kind of literally 200-300 meter away from the lineup. So they kind of scout the traffic, like if there is a diversion, they kind of they are like literally the navigation system of the whole pattern. They'll be a little ahead from the lineup. There are marshals. The difference between the scouts and the marshals are like marshals will be there with us throughout the ride. I mean, like they'll be keeping an eye on the pattern from front to back. So like as you can see there, those are the scouts. So they'll be kind of moving from 200-300 meter a little bit ahead, and they'll be looking for the diversion and all. So yeah, and that is the marshal who is kind of having an eye on all the pattern and all. Yeah, and I covered the leads, the scouts and the marshals, and there are 2 other coordinators who are in the middle. They'll be keeping the balance. Basically we covered the lead, the scouts, the marshal, and there are 2 other coordinators who are in the middle. After them there are 2 other riders who are in the tail. There is a backup vehicle, like if something minor thing happens. That's about the kind of coordinators, how they manage the group ride and all. Man, I have to say, for the new riders, right, they are getting a lot of learning from this ride, especially because after we kind of took the diversion from the highway, we are getting a lot of turns because the construction is happening. It's not gonna stay the same for the whole journey, but people are following the hand signals. That's what I'm observing in the mirror. The thing is, the experienced riders are on the right side. I can see the guys who are on the left side and the right side are properly kind of maintaining the pattern. Whenever there is a turn, they are giving a hand signal. Whenever there is a speed breakers, they are giving the hand signals. So yeah, it's going good till now. And that's a signal for stop. My speed is fine, bro. Fine. Okay.
I'm not causing any problem.
No. A couple of I wouldn't say it's off-road, but construction is happening, so huh? Yeah, I think it's going good till now, na? Yeah, we have clocked what, 50 kilometers, some 20 kilometers is left, that's it. Let's go. Damn, look at that. Holy shit. And that's our Charlie. And these are the marshals. Who are you seeing in the green jacket, right? These are the marshals, the team members basically. Let's go. So we are lining up. All right. These are the scouts, so that's what I was talking about. They go a little ahead from the pattern and go near the diversion, or or kind of set a way for the whole ride. So you're getting the importance of the scouts right now. So yeah, and those two are the leads basically. Leads are like they'll be with us throughout the journey. Scouts are like they'll just go ahead and see whether everything is proper, and they'll see whether there's a diversion or something like that. That's how the marshals control the traffic. It's not like the messing up with the traffic and all, but it is necessary, and the locals also understand that. So it's nothing unusual, that's what I would say. It happens on every group ride. So we finally reached the location. भाई मिडल में GoPro का बैटरी खत्म हो गया यार.
मैं दूसरा लगा चुका हूँ और एक चार्ज पे चल रही है. 4K में शूट करने का यही तो होता है ना.
All right. Everyone are parking the bikes now. Basically we have reached the location, so the lineup's going on. Damn, look at this location, man. Crazy.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Bro, your name? John Karthik.
Oh yeah, YouTube.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright everyone, welcome back again. As you can see, we're heading towards Bangalore now. But in between, we'll be stopping for a breakfast point. I don't know where's the location, but yeah, it's around 1 hour from here. So I guess probably in near Bangalore itself. That's what I'm guessing. Let's see. Oh man, what an amazing ride, and what a beautiful location, honestly. Damn. And Biker Buds, hats off for doing your research for, you know, finding this beautiful location. Man, it's absolutely gorgeous. So all right guys, as you can see, we are heading towards Bangalore, and before Bangalore, we'll be stopping at a breakfast point, and you know, we'll kind of have a intro sessions, like majority are new riders. What I had imagined was like that Panchapalli reservoir is there, no? That is the final spot. That's what I thought. But man, when I went a little ahead, no, man, that spot was like paisa vasool spot, like literally. Damn, absolute beautiful wide angle shots and all, man. It was looking beautiful. He's feeling dizzy, bro. He's feeling dizzy. हाँ, स्टैंड लगा है, लगा सकते हो. स्टैंड ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಇಳಿರಿ. He's feeling dizzy. हाँ.
ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಹೋಟ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು, ಸರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೈಕ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಬೈಕು ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದೆ. ಹಾಂ, no problem, bro. How many kilometers are there? Next point?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay.